Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm just doing simple half single plaits, half cane rows. I'm using this type of hair. It is an expressions hair and the color is 1B350. So it's in the copper family. One pack of 3 bundles was enough to do my whole entire head, and there was even a little bit left over, and the pack was £5.99 from Pax Cosmetics. I washed my hair 2 days before I started braiding it, and I'm just refreshing the moisture in my hair using some aloe vera juice and then sealing that in with my homemade DIY shea butter mix. I'll leave links to that video down below or in the end screen. I go ahead and make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled, because that's how you get a neat cane row as well, by making sure that your hair is detangled. And because this is a protective hairstyle, you want to make sure that your hair is clean and moisturized underneath. So I did start doing my braids off camera. I'm using jam to help me braid more neatly. I don't like to put the jam on my scalp, I just put it on the hair only. And I've got about 3 or 4 more rows here. Once I finish the rows at the back of my head, then I'm gonna move to the front and I start doing the cane rows. And I'm not doing any fancy kind of zigzag or swirls, it's just simple cane rows going back with a slight slant or bend, just to protect my edges, because I don't want to lose the front of my hair because of a hairstyle. And my whole thing is I want to braid securely enough so that my braids don't fall out, but I don't want to braid too tight to the point where I've now damaged my edges. And that's the good thing about being able to do your own hair, because you can braid with the tightness that's suitable for you. You can braid with the thickness that's suitable for you, you know, and obviously you save money and all that good stuff. So when it comes to the front, that's particularly what I'm focusing on. Now I'm at the front of my hair and I'm making sure that I use more jam for that sleekness. And I'm gonna go in with the cane rose. This is a style that, you know, has been around for years upon years, so this style doesn't particularly belong to anyone. I know people like to give these braiding hairstyles the name after the celebrity that wore it, but I don't particularly agree with that, because these styles have been around for decades within the black community, and we've all had them as a child. And then, you know, there was a time where braids were not as popular and adults felt like they were a bit childish, and now it's come back into fashion and we've got so many different variation of braids and twists. So yeah, that's why I'm not calling this like after a celebrity braid. It's just single plaits and cane rows, that's it. And again, I'm being careful with the front of my hair because the front of my hairline is fragile as it is. I don't want to pull back too tight. I did leave this hairstyle in for a month. I did add some beads to the ends just to jazz it up a bit. I did get a lot of compliments. So I really like the hairstyle. I really like the color. And I would use this color again. This is my second time wearing this copper color. And what else is there to say? There's not much to say other than practice makes perfect. The front of my cane rose wasn't so neat, but you know, I didn't have a bird's eye view of my own head. If I did, or if this was a client or a model, trust me, it would have been a whole lot more neat and nicer looking. But practice makes perfect. So there's not much more to say. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.